Katie, what you got? Are you eating? Are you wearing? What you got, huh? Let's see. Let's see. What you got there, huh? I think you're wearing more than you're getting in your mouth. You want some help? Here, want this one? You want this one? Katie, you're looking outside? Here you go. There you go. Are they yummy? Are they yummy? You can get one in your mouth? When you can get one in your mouth? See, want some help? Let's see. Here you go. Here, my age. You can have that one. Hi. Katie. Katie. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. She's thinking very hard. How can I get more food in my mouth? Bye-bye, Katie. Katie, bye-bye. Katie, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.